Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to start Windows 11 in safe mode. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments, leave a like, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. To begin, click on the search bar at the bottom of your screen and type Run. Once the Run window appears, type msconfig and press OK. A new window will open. At the top, select the Boot tab. Here, check the option called Safe Boot. After that, click Apply and then OK. Now you will see a prompt asking to restart your computer. Go ahead and press Restart. Your computer will reboot and automatically start in safe mode, which is perfect for troubleshooting problems. To exit safe mode, simply repeat the process by opening misconfig again and unchecking Safe Boot. Then restart your computer normally. And that's it. Now you know how to start Windows 11 in safe mode.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.